Students, today I'll explain you question 15 of exercise 6.5. Okay, see that question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square equals 7AB square. Okay, so first we'll draw the figure. Figure is like this. This is the triangle ABC and this is the equilateral triangle, means all sides are equal. There it is saying that ki BD equal to 1 by 3 BC, means ki D is like this. This is the D. Okay, this is the BD. And the one construction will be here because the right triangle when will not involve, then how it will be solved? So right triangle will be involved, means ki one altitude has been drawn, that is the what? 90 degree, one perpendicular, that is suppose M. Means AM is the perpendicular, it is drawn, that perpendicular. So first write down the given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle and BD equals 1 by 3 BC. Okay, and BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. This information is given. D is the point on the BC, like that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. Okay. Now students, you'll see what you have to write to prove. To prove what is there, 9AD square equal to 7AB square. 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Okay. Now what we'll do, first we have to do the construction, because the one construction we have done. Draw AM perpendicular on BC. Draw AM. Okay, perpendicular on BC. Now prove. First we'll take the triangle ABM. Okay, in triangle ABM, AMB. In triangle AMB, by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? AM square, AB square equals AM square plus BM square. AM square plus BM square, and BM square equal to what is there? This is the by Pythagoras theorem. And BM is equal to what? Half BC, because BM, this is the, in equilateral triangle, the always the altitude divides into equal parts. AM square equal to what? Half BC. Half BC whole square. This can be written as AB square plus BC square upon 4. So AB square equal to what? AM square plus BC square upon 4. It is there. Okay. Or this AB, BC is equal to what? AB, BC is equal to what? AB it is there. We know that because this is the equilateral triangle. Here you write down the why we have written BM equal to half BC, because the in equilateral triangle, perpendicular altitude perpendicular divides base in two equal parts. Base in two equal parts. In place of the BC, we can write what? AB square. Huh? So this will be AB square and minus AB square upon 4. Means in place of the BC, AB we can write equal to AM square. Here write down the reason, because BC equal to what? AB. Equilateral triangle is there, so all sides are equal. So AB square minus AB square upon 4. This will come 4AB square minus AB square will be, if you take the LCM, this will be 3AB square upon 4 equals AM square. This one thing we have got. Okay, by taking the LCM we have taken, then the 4AB square minus AB square equal to what? AM square. This information will help to prove that question. Now the next. In triangle AMD, another right triangle. So before right triangle, first we have to find what is the DM length. So DM equal to what is there? DM equal to BM minus BD. BM minus BD. And BM already you know that half BC it is there. And BD equal to what? 1 by 3 BC it is given. Okay. 1 by 2 BC minus 1 by 3 BC. So this will be what? 6 will be LCM. 3 BC minus 1, 2 BC. So that will be BC upon 6 it will come. So DM value is what? That will be BC upon 6 is correct. Now next. This you understood. DM equal to what? BM minus BD. And BM equal to what? Half BC, because the half it is there, perpendicular is there, so that divides two equal parts. So DM equal to what? BC upon 6. Now this will be helpful to solve this. In triangle AMD, angle, this is the right triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem we can write AD square equal to what? AM square plus DM square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. There is no problem. This is the right triangle. Na? AD square equal to AM square plus DM square. Now AM square value we have written 3AB square upon 4. From 1. And DM square equal to what? That is the BC square upon 6. BC upon 6 whole square. This is the from 1. Whatever the values are there, that we have written here. And this you can write down the 2, no? From 1 and 2. Then there will be no confusion. In place of the AM, I have written AM square equal to 3AB square upon 4. Now BC square, the BC, and you know that students, BC and AB all are equal, so we can write here 3AB square upon 4 and plus AB square upon 36. In place of the BC I have written the AB square upon 36. Now LCM will be what? 36. Okay, and there will be 27 AB square, because 9 4 is 36, 27 AB square, and this will be AB square and equal to AD square already it is there. And if you calculate that, then 36 AD square equal to what is that? 28 AB square. Now 4 9s are 36 and 4 7s are 28. So 9 AD square equals 7 AB square. Okay students, hence proved. So here the trick was there to solve the question ki means ki all the units you have to write in the one, means ki first you have converted in BC and BC you can convert in AB, then the what? AB is in what? In the examination, in place of the AB it can be BC, it can be CA, that time also the same solution will be there. Only the perpendiculars will be different sides and we can get it. So this way this question will be solved. Okay students, thank you.